Hey guys, in this video we'll go over how to add a deposit on Airbnb. So what you need to basically go ahead and do is, let's say I pick this hotel or apartment, right? I click on this one and when I'm going ahead to make the payment, right? If I come here and click on reserve, once this loads up, sometimes you see an option for a deposit. It depends on what Airbnb has chosen for that specific apartment. But if there is a deposit fee, you just go ahead and pay it normally with the available payment option, right? You come here and you either connect your bank account or you can connect to your PayPal as well. You just have to log in, right? Click on this. It will redirect you to another page and you can log in, or maybe you enter your credit or debit card details, right? And then you just go ahead and make the payment here and then confirm and pay. It's really that easy and simple.